the bricks of the red wall. Alicia sings Don't Take Me Home. Marley says there is a change in the air. The earth is quaking in this women's game. Catherine and Maya cannot believe they are here. We are here. Dewi the dragon is here too. The trio say Cymru and Biff. Sam wondered if she should sightsee in Switzerland, but says there ain't a mountain in the world that's going to top what she saw on Saturday. Penny remembers when she was the only fan in the ground. Belarus away, says now the team have the support they deserve, and she can't stop smiling. Hair-raising, Rodri says of Hen Vlad van Hadai at the game. Callum talks of the sea of red, sea of song devoted to these women. Ollie says we turned Lucerne into Wales, put a bucket hat on the city. Eloise says this red wall is made up of old and young, brick by brick. How amazing that the cement is women's football. Reese says this is a moment in time where role models are built for the children of our land. Millie beams embraces. She loves Sophie Ingle. Later that night, we'll get her wish to see her play. Her dad Stuart wears Speed's name on his back. A Awol Gort carry all those before us, with us. Gareth, Susan, Jane and Sandra, Trocontef I Fyrce Cymru, Bardd on EWROs. Speak of 70s trailblazers, no kit, no caps, no recognition. Diolch yn fawr, Mai Griffith and the courageous team. Katie from Caerdydd speaks of the pride of those women who see what their fight achieved. We would not be here without them. Wendy, Klinos and the little ones feel stressed and lucky. Rhiannon is so excited. Megan says it's so cool. Mike says it is fantastic. Colm cannot stop dancing. Mother and daughter, Rachel and Gracie. Rachel could cry at all this. Gracie says it's special and way better than watching it on TV. Steve says we are witnessing something remarkable. Catherine, as a woman, feels empowered. Nancy has never been to Switzerland and is very excited. Rob says it isn't just about football. He says this is about Cymru. Fionn echoes Wales is on the map. Kate says this red wall is a community. Caris will never forget Game 1, how we all walked together, each step towards the game for fans and team historic. Betsan is capturing history with her camera. She's proud to be Welsh, gay, here. She was told girls don't play football. Says I've come a long way, but there is still a way to go. Maybe you've seen it all. Or maybe you are Baby Cooper. Or maybe your cousin is Rachel Rowe. Or maybe you are legendary Laura O'Sullivan. Awol Gork is made up of all of you. Of us.